Today, we're going to take a look at the utility tool belt. One of the big benefits of the tool belt is that it fits a wider range of people. Another one is the increased visibility. So if you remember, the elastic belt was small. Now I'm going to get full range of visibility to be more in compliance. And then the third thing is the pockets that we've created, which has really increased productivity for our users. What it's allowed people to do is take things like med kits, fire suppression, radios, external battery chargers, pens, styluses, even your radios, and get that off of your belt and into an area that's easy to reach and easy to use. One of the biggest things we found with our food service customers was their credit card swipers, and a lot of the things that they use over and over became very tedious and cumbersome. So we got it up into the belt so it's easy to use over and over. And then the last thing is how much easier it makes donning and doffing this safety vest. You can see how easy that is. Pull it over my head and I'm good to go. If you have any questions, check out the website and please hit us up. Stay frosty.